Explore the complexities of friendships through the lens of various interpersonal challenges. Write about scenarios where individuals encounter bullying, a dominant personality exerting control over a more submissive friend, whether in person or online, and its impact on their friendship dynamics. Manipulation. Instances where one friend uses subtle or overt tactics to exploit the other's trust or emotions for personal gain, and how it strains their relationship. Mistrust. Explore the consequences when doubts about a friend's sincerity or honesty begin to erode the foundation of their friendship, leading to suspicion and uncertainty. Jealousy. Delve into the feelings of envy or competitiveness that arise between friends, and how these emotions can escalate into conflicts or undermine mutual support. Betrayal. Write about situations where promises are broken, secrets are divulged, or acts of disloyalty occur, highlighting the profound impact of betrayal on friendship bonds. In each scenario, consider the nuances of human behavior and the challenges individuals face in maintaining healthy, trusting friendships amidst these common pitfalls.